Hi students, welcome to Kribai Tuition Center. In this video we are going to see multiplication and division of fractions. Before going on into the concept, in order to make you clearly understand the concept, I am using here half. Everybody is familiar with this word half, right? Suppose you have 10 ice creams, you need to share it with 2 friends. So immediately you will take 5 ice creams for one friend and 5 ice creams for the other friend. You have an apple and you need to share it into 2 equal halves. So you will cut it vertically and you will share among 2 of them. So these are 2 equal halves. You will never cut the apple horizontally, because you won't get 2 equal halves. You will cut only vertically in order to get 2 equal halves. Now we will proceed on with the concept. The first sum I am going to do is 1 by 2 into 2 by 4, which means half of 2 by 4. This can also be represented as 1 by 2 into 2 by 2, where the brackets means multiplication, or like this 1 by 2 into 2 by 4. These are all different ways of representing multiplication. Now this into means half of 2 by 4. Now take the fraction 2 by 4. So I have 4 equal parts. Now I am going to shade only 2. 1, 2. So this means 2 by 4. Now I need half of this 2 by 4. So now see here, whatever is the shaded portion, from that I am going to shade only half of the portion. So here 2 boxes are shaded. So half of the 2 is 1, right? So I have shaded 1 box. So now what the answer you have received? 1 by 4. So the answer for 1 by 2 into 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. We will see one more example. Half into 3 by 4, which means half of 3 by 4. Now I have splitted the whole into 4 equal parts and I am going to shade 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now I need half of this. So how am I going to shade now? See, half portion here, half of this and half of this. Now we all know that fractions means splitting the whole into equal parts. Now I have splitted each boxes into 2. So this box also I am splitting it into 2. So totally now how many boxes I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of 8 how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 8. Now half into 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 8. Clear? Now we will see the method to do multiplication. So for the first one, half into 2 by 4. 1 by 2 into 2 by 4. You need to just multiply the numerators. 1 into 2 is 2. And then multiply the numerators. 2 into 4 is 8. And you get the fraction. Now you cancel it. 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Which is equal to 1 by 4. Or this can be written like this. 2 divided by 8 if to take LCM. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s. So 8 you can write it as 2 into 2 into 2. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled and you will get 1 by 2 into 2 is 4. You have another method. 1 by 2 into 2 by 4. You can just cancel these two and you can simply write 1 by 4. So all are same. Now how we are going to do multiplication? Just multiply the numerators and write the answer. Multiply the denominators and write the answer. That's it, the multiplication of fractions. Second sum, half into 3 by 4. So 1 3s are 3. Multiply the numerators. Then multiply the denominators. 2 4s are 8. That's it. The multiplication of 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 is 3 by 8. Now, the most common mistake what is done by the students while doing multiplication is you get confused between this multiplication and addition. For addition, if there are unlike fractions, then you need to take LCM and you need to add. But for multiplication, you need to simply multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Most of the time, the mistake that happens is that the students start taking LCM for multiplication. Please note this carefully and avoid that one particular mistake. Next, division of fractions. Before going into division of fractions, first we will understand division. Now see, take a number. 20 divided by 5 means what? Now 25 divided by 5 means what? That means how many 5s are there in 20? So how many 5s? 4. So the answer is 4. You have 4 5s in 20. Similarly, in division of fractions, now we are going to divide 2 by 4 divided by half. So you are going to see how many halves are there in 2 by 4. Now 2 by 4 divided by half. So this is 2 by 4. Now look at this picture and say me how many half is shaded in this picture? How many half is shaded in this picture? 1 half, correct? This is 1 half and this is 1 half. So 1 half is shaded. So how many halves are there in 2 by 4? 1. So 1 is the answer. Two by 4 divided by half is equal to 1. Now we will see one more example. 3 by 4. So 4 equal parts and I have shaded 3. Now from the shaded portion, identify how many halves are shaded. 1 half is shaded and in another one half of half is shaded, right? Notice. So 1 and a half is the answer. So 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 and a half, which you can say that improper fraction to mixed fraction. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2 is your answer. Now we will see the method to do division. 2 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. So you will write this as 2 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. Then you will take the reciprocal. So 2 by 4 into this 2 will come up and this 1 will go to the denominator. This 2 will become the numerator and this 1 will become the denominator. Now you just multiply 2 2s are 4 and here 4 1s are 4. Now you just cancel, you will get equal to 1. So here also you have got 1. Next we will see the method for the second sum. 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. It is nothing but 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 into 2 by 1. This 2 goes to the numerator and this 1 comes to the denominator. This is called as reciprocal. So you are taking the reciprocal of the next second fraction. Now cancel it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3 by 2 1s are 2. So you have got 3 by 2 here and 3 by 2 here. Now if you are converting this into improper fraction, then 1s are 2. Now take it in the reverse way. So this 2 comes down, this 1 goes up and this 1 comes here. So 1 and a half halves are shaded. Understood? Now practice time. Practice these sums and then check your answers with my answers. Now what is multiplication? Multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators. 2 2s are 4. 3 5s are 15. So 4 by 15 is the answer here. This is having only numerator. So this is, you assume this as 3 divided by 1. So 3 2s are 6. 1 15s are 15. Now here, this is in the mixed fraction. So you need to convert it into improper fraction. How? 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 by 6 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 2. Now converting this mixed fraction to improper fraction we have already seen in our other video. So now multiplication. So 11 9s are 99. 6 2s are 12. So 99 by 12 is the answer. If you want you can cancel this. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So 33 by 4 here. This is divided by 1. So 3 5s are 15. 7 1s are 7. Next division. Divide 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. So 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Take the reciprocal into 3 by 2. Multiply the numerators. 4 3s are 12. Multiply the denominators. 5 2s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 10. Which is equal to 6 by 5. Next. 12 by 15 divided by 10 by 15. Which is equal to 12 by 15 into 15 by 10. 12 by 10. It's nothing but 5 cents. 6 by 5. Third sum, 2 by 3 divided by 5. So 2 by 3 divided by 5. Here you don't have denominator, so it is divided by 1. Now you take the reciprocal. 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. Now 2 1s are 2. 3 5s are 15. 2 by 15 is the answer. Here you have 3 divided by 1 by 5. So this 3 is taken as 3 by 1. So 3 by 1 divided by 1 by 5. So which is equal to 3 by 1 into 5 by 1. So you have 3 5s are 15. 1 into 1 is 1. That is nothing but 15. So this you can take it as 3 divided by 1 is nothing but 3 and 5 divided by 1 is nothing but 5. So 3 5s are 15. Thanks for watching.